We also work a lot with solar companies. So we work with companies like Tesla, Sunrun, and what we do is we coordinate with them. They want to make sure that you have a nice roof underneath, because if your house or your roof is 20 to 30 years old, they don't want to install a 25-year system on an old roof. So they recommend re-roofing it, whether it's shingles or tile, and redoing the underlayment before they do their work. Now, there are some solar companies that do try to sell on an old roof. I recommend you do not do that. They're just trying to make a quick sell, and you're gonna spend a lot of money on the solar, and then you're gonna have to spend money on also removing it, and they're gonna charge you for that. And I average per panel, it's about $200 and $250 per panel. And then you're basically gonna remove it and then reinstall it, and also do a roof with that. So I do recommend, if your house is 20 to 30 years old, to redo your underlayment, redo your shingles if you are thinking about going solar.